Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a couple of little tiny things that I want to try out on the GR Corolla. So sometimes things don't have to be huge and crazy to be a fun mod. Sometimes the little things are nice. So over Black Friday I picked up a couple of things off of Aliexpress that were very inexpensive, just a few bucks, and they look like they could be interesting. Not 100% sure about some of them. I have 3 different things that I'm going to do. The first thing I've got is a set of 4 of these, and these are, I'll show you here. These are just a little dress-up piece that goes over the latch for the door. So that's kind of plain Jane, but this just adds a little bit of spice to it, so it'll sit just like that. And yeah, I think that's going to look good. It's not quite the same red that I have in other places, but it's okay. You're only going to see it when the door's open, and it looks a heck of a lot better than that. I didn't want to get black ones just because they would blend right in, and any other color looked kind of goofy to me. So I guess I could have gone with the chrome ones, but I wanted to try the red, so we'll slap those on there, and they just come with a double stick tape on the other side. So we'll just I'll wipe down the latches real quick, and then we'll stick them on. So I peeled the stickum on the back of it. Make sure the GR is up. I'll just stick it right on there. There we go. Very nice. I love it. Once again, it's just a nice subtle thing. Looks good. All right, do the same thing to the other 3, and that one will be done. On to step 2. Got all 4 of the door latch covers on, quick and easy and painless. So for the 2 hidden things here, the first one is a red cover, and it's to go over the knob for your side view mirrors. So the little twisty knob that turns it from left to right. So we shall see. It just slips over it, so it's easy if I don't like it. And then these are kind of the same idea, but these are for the HVAC knobs. So they match. So we'll see. I wasn't 100% sure if I'd like these or not, but like I said, they were only a few dollars. So if I don't, it's no big deal. I'll see if anybody else wants them in my GR Corolla group. So, but we're going to try it, and I'm going to see how I do like it. So let's go ahead and slip these over and get an idea of what they look like. It weighs absolutely nothing. Let's just see if, yeah, it's just a friction. There we go. Okay. Right, neutral, or left. Huh. It actually doesn't look too bad. It just adds a little bit of flare, just kind of like the little red there. But yeah, I mean, it's nice because if it's something you don't like, it's easy to pop off. So it's no real big deal. These have 2 pieces of tape for each one, and here's how they look on there. Actually, they look better than I thought they would. Like I said, I was very unsure about them. So Here's what it looks like without it. There's kind of a black knob with a chrome ring around it right there. And this just slips right in there and still have the black knob. It's just the red on the other side. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I like it. Just a little something different. It's totally reversible, so somebody didn't like it. But let's go ahead and use the sticky tape, because without it, this just spins. The other one was friction, but this just spins. So let's go ahead and get those so they stick on there. And there we have it. The final look of it. What do you guys think? I mean, definitely not a must-do, but it's kind of cool. Just, again, a little differentiation. Well, thanks for joining me, guys. Let me know what you think of something like that. It's completely reversible. I know it's probably not going to be for everybody, but it'll be a nice change of pace for now, but I can always take them off, and they were uber cheap. So, but be curious to think what you guys think about little things like that sometimes. Sometimes the little mods can be fun and they're cheap. So if you like these kind of things, let me know in the comments down below. Smash that like button. Please subscribe. If you already subscribed, I appreciate the support. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.